attends Eastview High School in Apple Valley, and she was our winner of the Quiz Family Award, which is for ninth graders specifically. And she is, well, I'll just say a few little things. She's played piano for 7 years and been 5 of them with Xiu Wang. And in addition to piano, she likes to play tennis. She's on the junior varsity at school, and spending time with friends and reading most types of fiction. I know you mentioned as long as it has a good plot. So I think you probably decide quickly if it's going to have a good plot, right? Let's see, you've been in school on the Science Olympiad team, debate team, robotics, and you play flute in band and has been in the jazz band and may go back to that. And she wants to be sure to thank her family, her parents, and her older sister, and her teachers, especially Xiu Wang. And she is going to play, Charlene is going to play the Etude Opus 25, number 11 by Chopin.